got a package. And it should be a turtle sandbox from KIN Additive on TikTok. There you go. There's their app. Additive, not addictive. So this is a 3D printed turtle sandbox. Super cute. Really nice color of the sand. And these super cute beach tools. Got a little rake, a bucket, and the handle moves. Cute. And a little shovel. I wonder if I can make a sandcastle. Thanks for the likes. So you can pick what kind of sand it comes with. There's little shells in here. Super cute. Thanks for the likes. Oh. So cute. It has shells. I'll clean that up. So let me see. I'm gonna try to get all the shells and stuff to the top. Put them in the bucket. They look like little crystals and shells. Thanks for the follow. Some pretty shell. Oh, thank you for the vote sticker or gift. It's a little rose quartz, it looks like, or amethyst. I'm just putting the shells in the bucket. Just putting them separate for now. Looks like that's it. This is almost like, right now I feel like I'm doing the cat litter because I have cats. But this is more fun. It's a pretty rock. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks for the follow and the gifts. What is it? It's a turtle sandbox. So it has a little cover, like a mini one. They're good for like a desk toy or just something relaxing. But I also have this mold, this turtle mold, and I'm gonna make a little turtle with resin. I'm gonna put him in there. So I already mixed the resin color that I want to put in here. Just like a green You can't really see. But it's green. It's turtle colored. This is harder than I thought. One sec. Okay. It's so slow. Oops. Um, I'm gonna cure it like this and then add legs. Curing this too. Thanks for the likes. Okay, and I'm gonna add this mocha green for the legs. If I can open this. Wow. We'll see, actually. We'll see if there's any left. Just waiting for the resin. Oh my god, this might take a while. Okay, I'm just gonna use a different color. Bye, thanks for watching. Thank you for the gift. Appreciate it. Okay. This should be better. Yes, I'm making a turtle. This is a turtle mold that I have. I just got it. I'm gonna put it in this sandbox. Yeah, I'm excited. We'll see how it comes out. I've never used a mold like this before. Looks somewhat promising. Oh, I don't think it has a head. That's okay. It's still pretty cute. Even though it only has like one leg and no head, it's okay. You can't really tell. Oh my god, wait, no, maybe I should do it again. Yes, this is 3D printed, I think. It looks like it, but it's from this shop on TikTok. I do have leftover resin, so I'm just gonna put it in the mold. So slow. I think I have a better tool. Sorry, this video is bad right now. Oh, I don't want that in there. Okay. I made a mess. want to make sure it gets into, oh my god, I made a huge mess. But I wanted to make sure it gets into the head. Well, that didn't work. I think I'm gonna cut off the flappy part of the mold. And this turtle will just have to do for now. But it comes with, oh no, the sand get stuck. It comes with all of this, some shells. And you can get kinetic sand, which would also be cool. Also, I bet you could make like little sand castles. If the sand was wet or kinetic. Hey, Mini-Me-verse. Definitely isn't gonna stay up like that, but it's really cute. Here's my little turtle I made for it. I'm gonna make a different one. This one came with the shells. I think they look really cute. Yeah, it's from this shop on TikTok. I think they're having a sale right now. But I made a huge mess with my turtle mold, so I have to go clean that up now. But here's my final result. Only has one leg and no head. And here is my turtle sandbox. Thanks for watching.